Hello guys, it's Corey here. Welcome to my channel. So I noticed this plastic shield looking thing hanging here and this needs fixed. So I don't want to get caught on anything and ripping off going down the highway. And it looks like it's held on by speed nuts, which you can see there's one right there. It's still intact. Now these are all underneath the vehicle here in numerous places holding heat shields on. You can see right there on the exhaust, up in there, and over time they rust and just break loose and fall off. So it looks like I'm missing at least this one here. Now I always keep a handful of these in my toolbox because they're all under this vehicle and you never know what you might need. So I'm going to go ahead. It'd be easier if I jack the rear of this car up and get under here and we can fix them. Alright, now I have the rear of the vehicle safely supported. I grabbed a few speed nuts here I had in my toolbox. Grab these, head underneath here, and see what we have. So I know I'm missing this one right here. You can see the stud up here that goes against. Some light on. There we go. And we have this towards the back, right up there. That goes right up there. Let's see what the other side looks like. Okay, that one's good. And back here, I'm guessing this one is okay too. Yeah. See how it's starting to get rusted there? Eventually that will probably corrode enough that it'll break off like the other ones did. But for now it's holding, so I'm going to leave it go. And these speed nuts simply just slide in. You can see the plastic pieces here that hold it in. So simply slide it in there and then just push it up into place. Alright, I have that one installed. On the back here, I have one more to go. So I'll take my speed nut, stick it over top of the stud and just push. And push a little bit more. See how that's a little loose. Okay, that looks pretty good. That one's good. That one's good. That takes care of that. I guess this is some sort of air deflector, but over time these corrode. It's always good to have some of these on hand. I buy them on eBay, they're pretty cheap. And you can always use them because you never know what's going to happen. See, this one here is getting pretty bad. Eventually that'll fall off. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.